This is the decades of Trifecta, 2000s, 2010s. We've got the Ford GT, red, white stripes, optional BBS wheels.
Yeah, so Keaton's working on the mic now. Jackie's actually going to...
Carrera GT,
Yeah, so I'll go get Keaton.
speed yellow, looks amazing.
Yeah, Keaton is actually the expert on the microphone, so...
Okay.
Hey, Bill. How's it going?
Hey, good to see you. Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah.
We got a lot to do today.
Yeah.
I did
bring my dad with me today.
All right, cool. All right. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna actually do it two-way.
Ferrari Pearl Yellow, looks amazing. McLaren P1, Volcano Orange, one of 375 total built. Porsche 918 Spider in white.
Yeah. Yes. I think so, yeah.
I'm horrible with names, but I will try. Yes. I know.
We don't want to delay. All right, welcome to the Decades of Trifectas, 2000s, 2010s. Before I start, how many people were here for the previous Trifecta, 80s and 90s? Nice. Yeah, we have the designer of the Enzo here, the designer of the Ford GT here. They actually flew in just for this event on a private event we had. So this is going to be the final part 2 of 2 decades of Trifectas. We have some pretty amazing cars here. So just kind of wanted to thank everybody for coming. Before I start, how many people think they know a lot about at least one of these cars? Okay. Okay, well, we're going to be testing here on that. What I'm going to do is, as I go through each car, I'm going to ask 3 questions of the audience, and I'm going to see what kind of answers I get, and then I'm going to allow you guys to ask me 3 questions. So we'll have 6 back and forth questions per car, and then based on the questions you ask, we're going to give out 3 prizes for every car. So we have 3 times 6 prizes to give out, based on the best answers you give me and the best questions you give me. And we're going to start all the cars, we're going to open them all up. And then at the very end, if you stay, sometimes this goes 2 hours, sometimes it goes 3 hours. It all depends on what's going on. It did go for almost 3.5 hours one time. We had almost 1,200 tickets sold that day. A little rainy out, so we're not going to get that crowd today, but more prizes for you. Okay, so let me start. Trifectas. There was basically the 3 cars of that decade that everybody remembers. The very best performing cars. The 90s kind of ended with the F50, the McLaren F1. We had, the XJ220 still here. The owner was kind enough from Arizona to let us keep it. So now we're moving into 2000s and 2010s. So I guess it was basically my feeling of what these 3 cars is the company had an opportunity to just do the very best cars. And we said, hey, we got money, we sold a bunch of SUVs, we sold a bunch of cars. They go to the engineers and say, you know what, we got some time, we got some money, just make the best car you can. So in this case, Ford was asked their engineers to make the very best car you can, Porsche, Ferrari in this case. And the other manufacturers kind of know that's going on. So they said, well, you know what, we know Ford just asked their engineers to make the best car. We better probably do the same thing. So there's a little bit of competition going on, and that's why these cars are so good. I mean, when you look at these cars, these are the best cars, the most highest performing cars of that decade. And it's that competition between the manufacturers that gets that going. So I'm going to start, we're going to start on the far end with the Ford GT. I'm going to just talk a little bit about it, I'm going to open it up, I'm going to start it, let it idle for a minute, then I'm going to rev a little bit. We're going to do that for all the cars here. And then I'm going to ask you guys questions. And then we're going to go back, and then we're going to give out rewards, I should say, not prizes, rewards for the best questions, best answers you give me, and the best questions you give me. So why don't we start with the Ford GT?